Good morning, friends. Welcome to our guided reading lesson today. I am trying something new, so we'll see if this works out for us. So the book we're reading today, you can see on the screen, is called Why Can't I? And we're going to see all the different things we're going to come across in the book we're going to look on here. So the first thing, we haven't really done a lot with this word yet. It's got a little thing called an apostrophe, and it says can't. Can't is a short way to say can not. So it's called an abbreviation. It makes it short. So instead of saying why cannot I, that doesn't make any sense. Why can't I makes a little bit more sense. We're going to see this sight word right here. You know this one. Said. And this one we had started writing. Do you remember the first part of it is B-E is be, because, yeah. And then we have some magic E words about to happen. What sound does SL make? Soul. Okay, so that's the beginning. Magic E is going to jump over the D and tell I what? Poof. Say your own name. So I's name is I. So the way we say this out, we go soul-eyed, slide. Good job. This one's also a magic E word. The magic E is jumping over the F and tells A, poof, say your own name. So what's A's name? A. So this word is safe. Safe. So that's just a preview of some of the things we are going to see in Why Can't I? Now, I'm going to point with my arrow to the words as we read and sound things out so you can follow along. Why can't I? What do they look like they're doing? Giving the dog a bath? I like that. And here's that question. Why can't I? Let's sound out this word. Ready? What word? Jump. Let's go back. Ready? Why can't I jump on the... Oh, sorry. Shh, Lucy. Lucy, shh. Sorry, our dogs are outside playing next door. They're jumping on the bed. You're right. Why can't I jump on the bed? Asked. This says asked. And the boy's name is Jose. So we're going to see this a lot. Even though it's a J, it has an H sound. So we're going to see that a lot. Why can't I jump on the bed? Asked Jose. And this is what the mom says. And here's that sight word we saw. What was this one? Because I said so, said mom. Does your mom ever say that to you? Because I said so. Mm-hmm. Now, what do you think he's asking about? Look at the picture. What does he have? He has paint. Oh, where is he painting? On the floor. You're right. All right, let's try and read it. Here's that WH question. Ready? Why can't I... The A and the I in this word are two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking, and it says its own name. So A says A, and we're not going to say the I sound. So the way you sound this word out is ain't. Paint. Yep. Why can't I paint on the... What does FL say? FL says full or floor. Why can't I paint on the floor? Asked Jose. And what does mom say? She gets that finger out and she says, because I said so, said mom. All right, let me get the page to turn. My keyboard just died on me. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. There we go. Oh, it went way ahead. I got to back it up to page 6. Mrs. Spencer. All right, so what is he doing? He's on the table. Can you try to find the word table in the sentence? It starts with a t. Yep, right here. What does he look like he's doing? Let's try and figure it out. Ready? All right. Why can't I dance? Oh my gosh, she's dancing on the table. Let's go back. Ready? Why can't I dance on the table? Asked Jose. And what does mom say? Because I said so, said Mom. She's like, no way, Jose. Literally, his name is Jose. What is he doing here? What are these called? Yeah, it's a bookshelf. These are the shelves. Oh my gosh, he's climbing up them. You're right. Climb starts with CL. Climb. Can you find the word climb? Oh, here it is. All right, let's read. Ready? Why can't I climb on the shelves? Asked Jose. And what does his mom say? Because I said so, said Mom. Oh, Jose. What is he doing now? Oh, he's got his baseball uniform on. Oh, that is a mess. He's probably in the kitchen. You're right. This word has SL at the front. Slide. Oh, it's the magic E one we read. Slide. All right, let's read. Ready? Why can't I slide in the kitchen? Asked Jose. And Mom says, because I said so, said Mom. And now he's mad. Look at him. He wants to ask her this question. Let's read it. Ready? Why can't I have, this word is any. It's that Y at the end that sounds like an E. Any. Why can't I have any, let's sound out this word, F first, ready? Fun. Fun. Why can't I have any fun? Asked Jose. Oh, and Mom has a reason. She's trying to, look at the house. Oh, look at the mess he made everywhere. Oh no. This word you with an R is your. So it says your fun. Let's sound out this one. Double E says E. Needs. So it's your fun needs to be. This is a magic E word. So this A says A. Safe. Safe, said Mom. Oh, my keyboard's sleeping again. I don't want to push it too many times because then it goes like 500 pages. All right. Oh, there it goes. Let's see what he asks to do now. He got paint all over the dog and himself. He says, can I wash the dog? Asked Jose. What do you think his mom's going to say? Is she going to say, no, because I said so? Nope, she said, you can, said Mom. The end. Now, I don't know, using this one, you'll have to let me know. I think you can go back and just turn my sound off, and you can go back to the beginning of the video and try to read this one by yourself. And I also think I uploaded this story into Dropbox, so you can print this off or you can read it on your computer today. It was good doing guided reading group with you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends.